Out of Chitcha finally started be back here again. I'm here with the full Noise Krew, and we're here at Native Flavaz. About to go and have a feed, bit of a food review. So yeah, chirp. So now we're about to dig in. Barbie, what do we have here?
So we have paua pockets, seafood chowder chips, and we got fried bread. We have paua chips and a hangi. Fresh up in this thing that I don't know what's LMP.
Before we even start, we've got to have our karikia say. E o whakapainga e nei kai, e oranga ma mātou tina whainga hoki tō wairua ki taro o te ora ko iu krai ti tō tātou kai whakaora ake, āwene. Alright then, let's get into it, shall we?
Let's dig in.
Let's try the power pockets first. So the power pocket stacked out.
This looks so good, guys. Now the seafood chowder.
Right, power's on. Chowder fries.
Chowder. What it looks like. Oh, good. This is 10. This is sour.
Oh.
10.
Yeah.
That. Like 10? 4 or
10.
5?
Power fries.
Ooh, that's good.
Can I knock on that, family?
10. 2.
And now, the piece of resistance. I don't really know if it's good. But we've got the hangi here, so it's a bit hot. So I think this is a bit of a kumara.
I already took a bite of this, so I'm just going to take
I don't really like kumara, but yeah, nice meat.
Good.
Got that authentic brown taste.
Bro.
Chicken.
Oh, here he goes.
What you gonna do? One thing about all Māoris is the stuffing. If the stuffing ain't on, stuffing's gone.
Still eat it. Right, bro.
Yeah, hard. That's on, Fanny. That's on. Alright then, fam. That's us for today, Bro, come down, get some food, at Native Flavaz here in the ring. And yeah, it's on now. Sure.